In today's blog, we are talking about the role of social media in mental health awareness and advocacy. In today's interconnected world, social media has become an integral part of our lives. With the power to instantly connect with people across the globe, these platforms have a unique potential to facilitate conversations about mental health and advocate for better understanding and support. In this blog post, we will explore the role of social media in mental health awareness and advocacy, as well as the ways in which it can be used to promote positive change. Breaking the stigma. One of the key benefits of social media is its ability to break the stigma surrounding mental health. By providing a platform for open and honest conversations, social media encourages people to share their experiences, which can help others feel less alone in their struggles. Celebrities, influencers, and everyday individuals can use their platforms to humanize mental health issues and normalize seeking help. Raising awareness. Social media campaigns like #BellLet'sTalk and #Mental Health Awareness Month have successfully reached millions of people and generated countless discussions around mental health. These campaigns often feature educational content and resources, encouraging people to learn more about mental health and share their knowledge with others. Providing support and resources. Many mental health organizations and professionals use social media to share valuable resources, tools, and coping strategies. By following these accounts, individuals can gain access to expert advice, self-help techniques, and support networks right at their fingertips. Community building. Social media has the power to connect individuals with shared experiences, creating a sense of community and belonging. Online support groups, forums, and communities can provide a safe space for people to discuss their mental health challenges, exchange advice, and offer encouragement. Advocacy and activism. Social media platforms can be used to mobilize and amplify the voices of mental health advocates, leading to positive change. By sharing stories, organizing events, and raising funds, individuals and organizations can advocate for better mental health policies, increased funding, and improved access to care. Conclusion. Social media has a significant role to play in mental health awareness and advocacy. With their potential to break the stigma, raise awareness, provide support, and mobilize activists, these platforms can foster a more open and inclusive conversation around mental health. However, it's essential to be mindful of the potential negative impacts of social media on mental well-being and to use these platforms responsibly. Together, we can leverage the power of social media to create a more understanding, supportive, and mentally healthy world. I'm not an expert, I'm simply documenting my journey. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. Thanks for your support. We upload content daily.